In this Adobe Firefly tutorial, I'm excited to guide you through the fascinating world of generative fill. It's an incredibly enjoyable feature that can truly transform your images, and it's one of my current favorites for its game-changing capabilities. Let's dive right in. Click on the Generate button to witness the magic. Adobe Photoshop also incorporates this feature seamlessly, making image modifications a breeze. As it continues to improve, this tool will become even more integral to image editing. Before we upload an image, you can explore the preloaded samples. Click on any of them to start experimenting without the need to upload a personal image. Now, let's get back to step. I'll upload an image from my device by clicking on the Upload button. Once the image is loaded, we'll make some exciting changes, adding elements and removing others. The tools on the side, like Insert, Remove, and Pan, will be your best friends. Pan lets you move the image around, while Insert allows you to add something new. For instance, I want to add sunglasses to the person in the image. Adjust the brush size and position, and then type sunglasses before hitting Generate. You'll be presented with 3 choices to select from. Pick your favorite or try a different prompt for better results. Now let's explore how easy it is to remove elements. Suppose you want to get rid of a computer, select the Remove tool, mark the area you want gone, and click Remove. The generative fill will seamlessly fill in the gap, but you might need to experiment with different options for the best result. Feeling creative. Let's insert a cat into the scene. Use the Insert tool, mark the area, type cat, and hit Generate. You can cancel or try different prompts until you're satisfied. Experiment with various options to find the one that suits your vision. There are additional features like background removal and inversion. Try removing the background or placing the person in a forest by typing forest and generating. Have fun with it. Remember, the download and share options are available once you've crafted your perfect image. Generative fill opens up a world of creative possibilities, so go ahead and have some fun with it.